Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video showing you how to turn dirty algae covered decking from this to this, this to this, and this to this. I'm going to test various nozzle attachments to see which works best. The Karcher Turbo nozzle was my first choice, however this is too aggressive for wooden decking. The pressure is so high that it's starting to splinter the wood. This is the aftermarket red 0 degree nozzle. It's not as powerful as the turbo nozzle, but is still too strong for wooden decking. The yellow 15 degree nozzle is closer to what is needed, which might work if you have a longer lance pole. However, I only have it connected to a short trigger gun, so I'm going to try the Karcher Vario lance. This is better for my back, and I think the pressure is as close as I'm going to get at removing most of the dirt and algae without damaging the decking. If you're finding this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is free, and it just means any future videos I release will automatically appear on your feed without you having to search for them. And with the last section of decking cleaned, it's gone from looking like this to this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.